Hi, if you've got these lights flashing on your Delonghi Dedica machine, it means that it's overheated and you need to let it cool down. So when you first of all turn it on, these lights will flash, but then they should go steady and it should allow you to then make your chosen cup of coffee. But you can see right now it's just seized up and these are flashing, but nothing's happening. All we have to do is turn it off from here and then just walk away for a good 30 minutes, let it cool down, and then when you turn it back on, it should be okay again. In fact, when these come on, you can probably feel that there's quite a bit of heat up here in the hot plate. So we're going to come back to this in, I'll give it 15-20 minutes. I might have to wait up to 30 minutes, and then we'll turn it on again and we'll see if it's working. Right, it's been about 20 minutes later now. I can still feel a lot of heat up here, but let's see if it's cool enough now to turn back on. So it's going through its boot up sequence. And now we've got two solid lights here. Let's see if it's going to do anything now. Yeah, there we go. You can now see that it will make you a cup of coffee now. Obviously, I haven't got it on here. This is just a demo for the video. So that's it. If you have two flashing lights here and yet you can't hit any of the buttons, it simply means that it's overheated. Just unplug it, walk away from it, come back later, and then hopefully it will be working again. Thanks for watching.